Alright guys, we're out here getting set up. Day 2 finals, about to do Sportsman class, followed by Pro class. I was checking out the brackets this morning. They look absolutely insane, so I am pumped for the racing today. My first round, I get a first round bye for my placement yesterday. I'm tied up with Nurk. I'll be tied up with probably White Noise, maybe Skyfall, maybe Cappy 1, maybe Jake Hammer. That's gonna be my first round of a bracket. That is absolutely insane. Have great competition here. Can't wait to get started. Just beautiful morning, a little bit wet grass, but man, it's gonna be a good day. Let's get to racing.
Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
I was just saying, I'm getting all pumped up, so I've been kind of sleeping over here, a little tired, been a long morning.
Okay.
But we got the finals coming up. Just had an awesome round number 13. We're seeing the final 6 going up. We're playing Chase the Ace with 6 pilots. How many rounds are going to go? What do you think?
I don't know. I think Mayhem looked really strong in that last heat. Well, I'm not sure if Puree was holding off, just holding on to the second
Dude,
place
they were
spot.
neck and neck.
Yeah, I'm not sure, but I think we're about to see round 1 in this one. I don't think either one of them are going to break. Mayhem really held it together through 3 laps of it.
So earlier, I don't think you were here yet, Puree beat him first, Mayhem took second. That's what killed the Iron Man.
Oh, so Mayhem come back with a little attitude on that
Yeah,
one.
now it's
Okay.
neck and neck. So we're gonna see. This could be a
Yeah,
good
this is going to
kill.
be the tiebreaker. This one's
man.
for pride.
I think
Okay.
those are the 2 to watch right here.
I think so too. I think those are going to be our top 2 spots as long as they hold together.
Yeah, for
as long
sure,
as
man.
neither one of them crash, I think that's our 1 and 2.
Yeah, buddy. Thank you.
Have fun, dude.
All right, let's see how it goes. What do you think, Paul? Who's taking this?
Mayhem.
Mayhem. Yeah, buddy. Let's see it.
Wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. You knocked on my window and slept on my pillow, then said you had found your place. Not sure if I want this. You don't think that I notice. This isn't like giving you space. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
right, guys, so that just finished up the sports class. Great finish. Good to see the Detroit guys doing well. Top 1, top 2 spots. We had Easy Flyer taking the big win. Number 2, thank you, Tyler. Number 2, we had Mayhem. So now it's time to get things real, get things going. We're gonna go see how this practice goes. We're doing really, really intense practice. Top 8 guys all practicing together. I'm up at first round. Let's see how this baby goes.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
Alright guys, just put through my first pack on the track in official qualifying, round number 5. Took the win in that one, took it a little bit easy. I need to push a little bit harder, I know that, because this is going to get real fast, real soon. Need to keep that in mind. So anyway, I'm not up for 10 more rounds. I'm going to sit back, relax, enjoy the racing. We got Bull FPV up here in round number 6. He currently has the fastest single lap on the track. Real curious to see how he does. They ripping? Let's go watch.
Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone, lesson 5. we go green. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Fantastic start for everybody. And now the chaos continues here at the 2019 Mid-America Throwdown Championship, presented by Tiny LEDs. Tiny's LEDs. Oohs and ahs. There's so much glare on the screen. This is a tough one to tell. Here comes Johnny Fly, Beast Mode, then Nurk.
Oh, Platinum is out.
Platinum. So
3 pilots up right now.
Platinum 6th overall.
Johnny
from our
Fly making
field
a
of-
slight mistake through the Excel section. That's going to slow him down big time, allow Beast Mode and Nurk to pull out in front just a little bit. Johnny just now turned into the lower section. Meanwhile, the other two are on their way to the start-finish gate right here. 1, 2. Beast Mode having to turn around, then hit the gate. That allows Nurk to pull out in the lead. We got Nurk, Johnny Fly, Beast Mode, your current order right now. Looks like Beast Mode just now making it through the dive gate. Meanwhile, Johnny Fly up through that double Excel, and Nurk moving his way through the upper section of the tunnels. He's down in the middle section right now. 2 more turns for Nurk, and he's going to be your winner. Johnny Fly trying to see if he can catch up. It might be. Oh, my gosh. Johnny Fly pulling the win out. Wow-wee. Pulling it away from Nurk. That's okay. Both of those guys moving into the finals.
Here we go, pilots. Arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Great start. Everyone through, and wow, this is scary right here. K-Mid now, your first one to hit terra firma.
Bull, your first one through, followed by Johnny Fly, then Nurk. Here we go. We're about to head through the tunnels. All 3 pilots are working their way through the tunnels. This is going to be a super close finish right now. Everybody working their way around through that last stretch. Bull FPV going to be your number 1, followed by Johnny Fly, then Nurk. Both of those two 6/100ths of a second apart. Oh no, Nurk having a what looked like a desync or something. Their way around. There's Bull, your winner of round number 1, followed by Johnny Fly, then Nurk and K-Mead.
3rd round. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. Deja vu all over again. Chase is sitting in first place. Here comes Bull FPV, 1 lap down with a 22.8. Johnny Fly, 0.08 of a second behind him. And Bull FPV down, and he's back up.
This is the final lap for Johnny Fly. Johnny Fly, your winner of this one.
Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tune in less than 5.
We got 2 pilots up right now. Looks like Bull and Nurk. Bull hitting the gate on the way through the start finish almost.
Give me
That's lap 2 for Bull. Looks like Bull gonna run away with this one unless we can figure out some way to restart him again. Bull, your only pilot in the air right now. We are a valid winner, Bull FPV.
All right, guys, lost track of kind of keeping up with you guys. We just finished up here. A lot of drama in that Chase the Ace final. I couldn't vlog it through. I wish I could. Ton of fun in the Chase the Ace. Unfortunately, I finished up in the number 2 spot, second place in the Mid-America Throwdown Championship. LE Bull FPV taking that first place, so huge congrats to him. You know, that he deserves it. He's just been on a roll, just winning thing after thing, and just, I had so much fun battling with him. Unfortunately, my third round, I had a mid-air in the dive gate. Took me out. I couldn't compete with him because I just love competing with that guy so much. But, you know, huge congrats to Bull. Congrats on the win. For me, seeing everyone have a great time, hearing all the great feedback, that meant more than coming in second place anyway. It's just been an amazing event. I'm so glad that everyone got to have a great time. What can I say? And it's also nice that I put a lot of work into this to see it come to a conclusion, take a break for a while. That'll be real nice. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy this. Hopefully you can watch some of the other coverage out there. I know Shames is doing some vlogs. I think Nurk might be doing some vlogs. So look out for their content. And yeah, as always, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.
Watch all night.